Hey guys, Ross here from Consolidated, and I want to show you just a few cool new tools that we've got going on here. By the way, no, I'm not sunburnt. My wife's into this red light therapy thing, and we've got the red light here on in the living room. And so I just wanted to go through and show you guys here real quick just what we're working on. So you've probably noticed that we've had lots of changes coming to this dashboard right here, this agency overview. Now, if you're not on the agency plan, you don't see this. But the reason we created this is because we used to have people, they'd come in and they'd sign up and they'd say, I want to create an agency dash where I can see all my clients, all their stuff in one place. And then we'd have to go build them that dashboard because they didn't feel like taking the time to do it. They'd have to pay like $1,000 because they'd have 50 clients. That's a lot of attributes and things to be adding. So what we're trying to do is automate a good portion of that just through this dashboard right here. And the way that we're doing this is by allowing you to create create widgets that put all of your clients in one spot without having to individually create each attribute. For instance, you can just literally choose which ad accounts you want to add. You just add them in here, and then you just turn on the metrics that you want to see. Now, we have more coming, and if there's any you need immediately, let us know. And very easy for us to pull them in. This is just what we put in for the MVP. Works the same for Google, but then it puts all your clients in one spot and you can see that. But now we just released another one, which is Go High Level Insights. And I've only got, I think, 5 Go High Level accounts added into this. So that's all it's going to let me even put on here. But what you can do is you put your Go High Level accounts here and then you choose which metrics you want to see, and boom, they populate. Now we have some changes coming to this. You'll be able to add more so like when you're building a dashboard, you'll be able to create a widget and be like, hey, I want to see this these opportunities with this tag, with this status, and then it'll create that at the top. And then what's nice is now it's just going to create that metric once and it's going to fill it in for all the locations. So you don't have to manually go, okay, now I'm going to make one for this location and drag it over. It's just all coming in one spot. Once again, this is only on the agency view dash. We are actually going to be getting rid of this little thing right here, moving because it's kind of redundant. And we're just going to be making these full width pages. So that way these go the full width of the page. It'll just make it less cramped. It'll be a little bit easier to see. We're going to continue to build off our agency overview though. We want more agency tools in here. So you got your clients, tools for your clients, but what about your project management, your invoicing? I know Go High Level handles a lot of that stuff, but we're trying to be platform agnostic. We're trying to be an alternative if people are using other tools, etc. So you're going to see a lot more agency tools piling in over the next few months. With that said, guys, I'm excited about this update. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video here so that way I can go through and talk about our next update.